It's called the Sonic Boom alarm clock.
Sonic Boom? Where are you supposed to put it?
Put that on your pillow on your bed.
And the full bed shake.
Sonic Boom.
Just to make sure you get up and do the workouts in the morning. Everybody needs one of these to make sure you get your ass up and work out.
So that should give you an idea. Feel that shit. Yeah,
Shit sounds like a fucking fire alarm. And then won't stop until you hit it?
Yep.
Until you hit it. Won't cut off. We'll keep
I
going.
can't get that shit. I will break that, but I can't get
See,
it.
the problem with us is we oversleep up in here. Put too many times already. We're waking up, she gotta be at work at 8. Kids gotta be at school at 8. I gotta train somebody 6, 7. We waking up at 10 in the morning like,
Snooze button.
Shit, get the fuck up.